Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really peeling back the layers on a very specific piece of hardware, the Datavideo PTC-140T PTZ camera. And our mission here is to move past just the spec sheet. We want to understand the radical technological efficiencies that make this camera such a potent solution for simplifying these complex live video setups.
Absolutely. And if you're looking for that single piece of tech that just defines its efficiency, it is, without a doubt, HDBaseT. That capability is the core hook. It lets the camera transmit, well, everything. Video signals, controlled data, and this is critical, the power through power over Ethernet.
All down a single cable.
All down one standard KT6 network cable.
Okay, so let's unpack what that actually means in the real world. For anyone who's ever managed a live production, you know cable management is the fastest way to add complexity, to add points of failure.
Yeah.
So we're talking about a radical reduction in setup time.
Right. No separate power cords to worry about.
And that KT6 run, it can go up to 100 meters. That gives you incredible freedom for placing it in a venue or on a stage.
It's more than just the power and the distance, though. The intelligence is baked right into the camera body itself.
Okay.
What's really fascinating here is the built-in streaming encoder. It uses H.264 or H.265 compression and can manage up to 2 simultaneous streams.
So the camera itself is doing the heavy lifting for the broadcast. It speaks a language like RTMP, which is that, digital handshake you need to get a feed to YouTube or Twitch.
Exactly.
That seems to bypass a lot of external hardware. But does relying on an internal encoder, does that introduce a new concern, like heat or maybe latency, that an external box would normally handle?
That is the core trade-off, isn't it? It's a design choice that balances that workflow simplicity against a potential processing load. But the choice of sensor helps mitigate some of that risk.
How so?
The camera uses a 12.8-inch CMOS sensor. Now, that's not the biggest on the market, but when you pair it with the ability to push full HD at 60 frames per second, it hits this perfect sweet spot. It minimizes latency while still giving you, production-ready quality for the web.
And speaking of framing that shot, you mentioned the 100-meter distance. You need some serious magnification to get a clear shot from that far away. This camera really delivers there. It's got a powerful 20x optical zoom, which is already fantastic, but then they add a 10x digital zoom on top of that for those really extreme close-ups.
And the physical movement absolutely matches that zoom power. It has a huge panning range of 340 degrees, and the tilt goes from plus 90 degrees all the way down to minus 30. But the most critical factor for any dynamic production is repeatability.
The presets.
Right. And the capacity is massive, 255 specific positions. This camera is built to remember every single move you're going to need.
So, okay, we have this feature-dense single-cable camera. It sounds like the ultimate standalone solution, but that raises, I think, the most important question for our deep dives. What's the cost of all this simplicity? What's the catch?
And this is where we hit the ecosystem constraint. We have to be crystal clear about this limitation. The PTC-140T is specifically designed to work only with the receivers built into Datavideo's own portable studios.
The HS1500T or the 1600T?
Correct. It is a very intentional ecosystem play by the manufacturer.
That's a fundamental trade-off then. You get this immense guaranteed efficiency, but you get it by locking yourself into the Datavideo ecosystem. You lose the ability to mix and match components from other brands.
You do.
Though for control, you can still use standalone units like the RMC300 or RMC180. And just for context, the camera is TAA compliant, so it meets government standards, and it's currently priced at about $1,499 now.
And that price point, when you couple it with its feature density, it really highlights its value, but specifically within that integrated production environment where speed and reliability are everything.
Which brings us to our final takeaway. The PTC-140T is, I think, a fantastic example of hardware optimizing for portability and speed by just ruthlessly bundling power, signal, and control into one standard. HDBaseT over KT6.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this single pipe philosophy is proving to be transformative in portable video. But that leads to a final thought for you to consider. If integrating power, video, and control into a single standardized cable is the future for production, how might that approach fundamentally change the design of all professional electronics, even outside the video industry? It could require manufacturers to completely redefine product compatibility from the ground up. And that's something to mull over until our next deep dive.